வணக்கம். நம்ம இப்போ ஸ்ரீமா உபாத்யாயை பார்க்குறதுக்காக வந்திருக்கோம். ரிந்திராணி அவார்ட்ஸ் 2021 ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக. வாங்க போய் பார்க்கலாம்.
ಸಾಕೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸರಸ ಇನ್ಯಾತಕೋ ಸಾಕೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ.
Namaste. I am Shrima Upadhyaya, Bharatnatyam dancer from Bangalore, disciple of Shri P. Praveen Kumar from Bangalore. I started dancing when I was about 4 years old, and since then, dance has been a huge part of my journey of who I am and what I am today. Dancing has been a huge learning experience. It has taught me so many things in life. Sometimes we think that dance is simply movement, but I think classical dance in itself has instilled so many values in my life. It has taught me to be disciplined. It has taught me to think outside the box. It has taught me to never limit myself and always challenge myself. And I think a huge part of that is also been my guru and my parents, who've always guided me, pushed me and supported me, have been my pillars through all of it.
ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತದ್ದಿಗಿಣ್ಣ ತುಂತ ತರಿತ್ತ ದಂಡತ ದಂಡತ್ತ ಜುಂಡುತ ಜುಂಡುತ್ತ ದಿಮ್ಮಿತ ದಿಮ್ಮಿತ್ತ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಾಂ ತಾಂ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತಾಂ ದೀಂ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಕ ದೀಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಕ ತರಿತ್ತ ದಂಡತ ದಂಡತ್ತ ಜುಂಡುತ ಜುಂಡುತ್ತ ದಿಮ್ಮಿತ ದಿಮ್ಮಿತ್ತ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಾಂ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಕ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತಕ ತಾಂ
And dance in itself has been a very constant companion. It has given me a lot of joy in a lot of ways. It has helped me get through my sorrow. It has been a huge source of solace, and basically, it's been my best friend. I think ever since I could move. Dance, we think, is just an action, but dance is so much more than that. And that is what I have learned till now, and that is what I have always wanted to share with everyone else. And that was a huge part of why I have a page where I help and I share and I reach out to people, because I think sometimes experiences within ourselves is not enough. Sharing enhances that joy, and sharing supports others, helps others, and helps ourselves as well. So I think dance has done that for me.
ನಗು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೋಂ ತರ್ರಿ ತ ಕುಂ ತ ಗುಂ 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 ತಾಂಗು ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ತುಂ ದಂಡ ತ ಕುಂ ತ ಗುಂ 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 ತಾಂಗು ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ತುಂ ಚೆಂಡು ತ ಕುಂ ತ ಗುಂ 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 ತಾಂಗು ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ತುಂ ತದ್ದಿ ತ ಕುಂ ತ ತದ್ದಿ ದಂಡ ಜೊಂಡು ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತರಿ ದಂಡ ಜೊಂಡು ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಂಡ ತ ಕುಂ ತ ದಂಡ ಜೊಂಡು ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ದಂಡ ಜೊಂಡು ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತ ಕುಂ ತ ದಂಡ ಜೊಂಡು ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿ ತ ಕುಂ ತ ದಂಡ ತ ಕುಂ ತ ಜೊಂಡು ತ ಕುಂ ತ ತದ್ದಿ ತ ದಂಡ ತ ಜೊಂಡು ತ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿ ತ ತಕ್ಕ ದಂಡ ತ ತಕ್ಕ ಜೊಂಡು ತ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತದ್ದಿ ತ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದಂಡ ತ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಜೊಂಡು ತ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಂ
చూడు la
AstroVed. We proudly deliver authentic Vedic solutions and remedy services. Become a member of AstroVed today. Witness a positive shift in your life.
Could you tell me about your professional goals in dance?
So I have taken up dance professionally over the past 2-3 years while also being a student. So I think I've just completed being a student. So thinking about what I want from dance is for it to enrich my life the way it has all of these years. I have never come into dance or stayed in dance thinking that I have this goal to reach. I have to get this award. I have to do this performance. It has never been that for me. It's always been that joy. Sometimes, just go to dance class and just dance your heart out. I just want to be able to dance for the next many decades. That has always been my goal. Dance now and dance as long as you can. That is my goal.
So how did the interest came for you into dance?
So my mother used to dance actually, and she always used to tell me that when we were kids, both me and my sister actually, we used to love playing music and just dancing. We had no medium, we had no way of expressing, no classical movements as such, but we always did love dancing. And then she realized that she can channel that into something more refined, and she put me to dance class at a very young age. I was 4 years old then, and so was my sister. She was about 3. So we started off very young, and since then it's been quite a journey of never stopping. I've never felt the need to, I need to stop dancing now. Okay, it's enough. It's not for me. So I continue.
What's your opinion on online performance versus the offline? Perks and the...
I think offline will always be what is in our heart. You can't compare the two. I think frankly, there is no comparison. Offline, there is so much joy in sharing your art. There is the thrill of being on stage. There is knowing that there are people watching you and sharing it with you. You connect with their energies, whether you realize it or not. There is a lot of sharing happening. There's a lot of give and take happening. Online, I think, has been a great way for us to stay connected with people. But at the end of the day, it is not an offline performance. It is not a physical performance. That is very different. But I think we have, as a field, and from whatever I have seen, we've made great use of technology in the pandemic. And it's been very heartening to see that. We've never stopped creating. It has been a great medium.
I would like to know a small story which you like about Krishna.
I think Krishna is a very multifaceted, very fascinating character. One of the first Varnams I learned was on Krishna. The first Abhinaya piece I learned was on Krishna. The first time I ever performed on stage, I was Krishna in a dance class anniversary. So Krishna is a character that I have always connected to. Be it the baby Krishna with all of his antics and innocence, and no matter what he does, you just love him and forgive him. Or be it Krishna who is preaching the Bhagavad Gita. He has all of the wisdom of this world in him. I think he's a very fascinating character.
ಮಗನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯೂತ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಮಗನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯೂತ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಮಗನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯೂತ ಜಗದೋ
Favorite piece, like any piece.
I don't think anyone can ever choose a favorite piece. I love dancing. I love Nritta. Nritta has always been my favorite part of dancing. Gives me so much joy to move, so much joy to feel the space with me, and I think that is what I love most about dancing. But I feel Nritta is, a lot of people think that it is just moving. It is not that. It is so much more than just a simple act. It is beautiful, and it also helps you connect with yourself, with your body, with your mind. And I have started very recently exploring Abhinaya and started loving that as well. So answering that question is impossible.
లంకు తక్క దిక్కు తక్క తద్ది గిన్న తోం తక్క తిమ్మి జం తక్క తక్కెది జం తక్కెది జం కెతి దండ జుండు దిమ్మి తక్క దిమ్మి జం తక్క తక్కెది జం తక్కెది జం కెతి దండ జుండు దిమ్మి తద్దది దండ తత జుండు తత జుండు తత దిమ్మి తత తద్దది దండ తత జుండు తత దిమ్మి తత దిమ్మి తకిట తక్క తద్దదిత తదండత తజండుత తదిమిత తద్దది తదండ తజుండు తదిమి శ్రీ దండ జుండు తద్దది తదండ తజుండు తదిమి తద్దిత దిత తక్కరగడం తద్దది దండ తజుండు దిమ్మి కరగడం తద్దది దండ తజుండు జుండు తద్ది తక్కరగడం
కోపము చేయదుగా సమీయదని ಸಾಕೋ 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 ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸಾಕೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸಾಕೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸರಸ ಇನ್ಯಾತಕೋ ಸಾಕೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸರಸ ಇನ್ಯಾತಕೋ ಸಾಕೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸಖಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆನಂದ ಮರೆಯಬೇಡ ಸಖಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆನಂದ மறையவே
Vanakkam, we Lasya were very humble to present this Rasika Award, Vrindrani Awards 2021 to Shrima Upadhyaya.
Very humbled and honored to have this award, and I thank all of the Rasikas who made this happen. I thank the Lasya team for coming all the way here and thinking of this wonderful award to keep people motivated during this pandemic. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone.